Back at it again. Yep. I'd say that's what's killed it.
Yeah.
Them talons. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Bam! Slammed it. And lift off. Pull the balloon. And dropped it again. Quit, you ain't gonna get it. You can't pick that balloon up out of the water.
You popped my balloon earlier?
I know. Yeah, he already popped one balloon. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Bam! Got it. I got it jerking out of his towel in that time. I got it zoomed in on it. Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Wow! He's bound and determined, ain't he? 'Cause I'm gonna get this thing. Up, up. Now he dropped it that time before he got picked up.
Okay, he's finally gonna go away.
Nah, he's just circling back around. He's picking up more speed. Yeah, I'm gonna hit him harder this time.